Do you want to create unforgettable memories with your child through reading? Watch as I share fun activities that turn books into interactive adventures. Hi parents, it's your friendly neighborhood book enthusiast Jessica here, and today I'm super excited to share some wonderful ways to ignite your kids' passion for reading. We're diving headfirst into the magical world of Where the Wild Things Are by Maurice Sendak. And I have some awesome activities and crafts that you can enjoy with your little wild things. But before we embark on our wild journey, I want to make sure that I mention that you can grab my Storytime Fun Packs for free in the description below. It's a great resource for parents who want to do fun book-related activities with their kids. Now, let me give you a quick peek into the untamed realm of Where the Wild Things Are. In this enchanting tale, a mischievous young boy named Max sets sail to an island inhabited by wild creatures, where he becomes their king. It's a tale of imagination, adventure, and the power of letting your inner wild thing roam free. Now, let's kick off our adventure with a scrumptious snack, Wild Thing Monster Cookies. Transform ordinary cookies into masterpieces by decorating them with candy eyes, fur made of icing, and all sorts of crazy monster features. These cookies are so monstrously fun to make that they'll have your little wild thing roaring for more. If you're craving something savory, how about setting sail with our Sailboat Sandwiches? Slice your sandwiches into sailboat shapes and add a cheese sail using a toothpick. These sandwiches are sure to float your boat and set your imagination sailing to distant lands. Now, let's get crafty and craft ourselves as the rulers of the wild with our very own Wild Thing crowns. Grab some construction paper, scissors, glue, markers, and stickers, and unleash your child's creativity by letting them decorate their very own Wild Thing crown. It's a royal crafting adventure fit for the kings and queens of the jungle. Now, do you feel the rhythm of the wild calling? If so, that means it's time for a wild rumpus dance. So crank up the music, let loose, and dance like Max and the Wild Things in your very own wild rumpus. It's a wild and wacky dance party that will have your little ones roaring with laughter and stomping with joy. And now let the wild hunt begin with our wild scavenger hunt. Create wild clues that lead to hidden treasures like crowns, boats, pictures of wild things, and tree branches. Give your kids a checklist and watch as they embark on a wild quest to discover untamed wonders lurking in your home. Here are a few examples of clues that you might use. For a crown, you might say, in the land where wild things roam free and play, find where a king's crown might lay. For this clue, you might hide a crown near a bed or where your kids play pretend. Here's another clue idea. For a toy boat, you might say, in a sea of imagination where adventures arrive, look where a toy boat sets sail in your life. For this clue, you might hide a toy boat in a bathtub or near a sink. Scavenger hunts are a great way to keep kids engaged and to develop their problem-solving skills. Oh, and don't forget, if you love the idea of doing book-related activities with your kids, be sure to grab my Storytime Fun Pack for free in the description below. These wild activities are sure to make reading an adventure your kids will never forget. Remember, let your imaginations run wild and embrace the magic of storytelling. Now, go forth, my little wild things, and unleash your inner wildness through the power of reading.